Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious lima beans with lamb meat recipe. And here I have lima beans, lamb meat, bones, and I have here 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper. And I also have here some fresh green coriander leaves and 2 whole garlic. And now let's start. And here I prepared our pressure pot with boiling water. Now let's put our bones. And now let's add our lamb meat. And put a piece of onion, some bay leaves, and half lemon. And add 2 teaspoons of salt. Remove the foam. Now once it's cleared from the foam, let's cover it and wait until the bones and meat become soft. And on the other pot with boiling water also, let's boil our lima beans. Let's boil our lima beans. Remove the forming foam. Now once remove all the foam, cover it and let it boil and wait until the lima beans will become soft. And for the meantime, let's prepare our remaining ingredients. Now let's smash our peeled garlic. And now cut our coriander leaves. Now then, let's check our lima beans if it's soft. Okay. Let's check. Now it's soft. It's done. Turn off the gas. And now strain. Already strained. Let's check also our meat if it's soft. Now let's check the meat. Now it's soft. Let's turn off. Now all our ingredients for lima beans with lamb meat recipe are done. Now let's start putting our smashed garlic in the pan. Spread. Next, put our boiled meat and bones. Now add our lima beans. Add our coriander leaves. our prepared seasonings. And add our beef broth. And add our dissolved tomato paste. Now cover and let it boil for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, let's check our lima beans. Our lima beans with lambit recipe is ready to serve.
So yummy and delicious. Yum, yum, yum.